Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's quick video, I'll show you how to add text directly on your TradingView charts using your mobile phone. This is super helpful for leaving notes, marking trade ideas, or labeling key zones. So let's get into it. First, open the TradingView mobile application and head over to your chart screen. Load any chart you want to work on. At the bottom of your screen, tap on the pencil icon, which opens your drawing tools. So here, scroll through the tools and tap on text under the annotation section. So here, a box will pop up where you can type anything you want. It could be a reminder, a pattern name, or your entry exit notes. Type something like breakout zone, right? You can also customize your text, change the font, color, size, and even the background box. And now just drag and drop the text wherever you want it on the chart. And that's it. Your text will stay on the chart until you delete it. Perfect for tracking your strategy. Use text to label chart patterns, make support and resistance levels, or keep a trading journal right on the chart. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more TradingView mobile tutorials. Let me know in the comments what kind of notes you like to keep on your charts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.